Hi, welcome to Late Night Stocks. Today's topic is another COVID-19 vaccine stock, OCUGEN. The stock price has risen more than 4,000% less than 1 year and hit $19. I know you have a lot of questions in your mind. Will the stock price hit all-time high again? Is it a short or long-term bet? Will the company survive after the pandemic? First, we are going to have a look at the company and its pipeline. In order to explain this huge gain and predict the future stock price, we should also analyze the COVAXIN and its manufacturer Bharat Biotech. Then comes another important issue, the US and Canada vaccine orders, to predict possible revenues from COVID-19 vaccine sales. In the end, we evaluate the company through our checklist. If you are ready, let's get in the video. OCUGEN is a clinical stage biotechnology company based in US. The company has 15 employees and aims to develop gene therapies to cure blindness diseases. We will talk about its co-developing COVID-19 vaccine a bit later. As we see, the company's ACU400 program, the modifier gene therapy platform, is expected to cure retinal degenerations. It's in the end of the preclinical phase and will take several years to get FDA approval. I know you are looking forward to hearing about OCUGEN COVAXIN Deal with Bharat Biotech. They have co-developed an inactivated COVID-19 vaccine for the US market. The companies have announced on the 2nd February 2021 an agreement for the commercialization of COVAXIN in the US market. According to the agreement, OCUGEN will US rights to the vaccine candidate and will be responsible for clinical development, regulatory approval, and commercialization for the US market. Bharat Biotech will also support the technology transfer for the manufacturing in the US. The most important point is profit sharing, which promises OCUGEN to get 45% of profits. The agreement also expanded for Canada on 3rd June 2021. We saw the agreements and looked at the facts about OCUGEN so far. We should also analyze its partner Bharat Biotech to be sure about manufacturing processes. Bharat Biotech International Limited is an Indian private biotechnology company which develops and manufactures drugs, vaccines, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare products such as Rotavac, Type Bar TCV, Genvac, and COVAXIN. The company was established in 1996 and has more than 700 employees as well as worldwide presence. Its COVID-19 vaccine success increased its reputation not only nationwide but also worldwide. COVAXIN is inactivated virus vaccine and can be stored in refrigerators. Like most other vaccines, it needs 2 doses to reach desired efficacy against the coronavirus. According to Bharat Biotech Phase 3 second interim analysis results, the vaccine has achieved 78% efficacy against mild and moderate and 100% against severe COVID-19 disease. The results are very promising and very important for the US approval. Manufacturing is challenging for inactivated virus vaccines. Bharat Biotech seems the right partner for OCUGEN to take advantage of its technology and know-how. Bharat Biotech plans to ramp up its COVAXIN manufacture up to 1 billion doses annually with new production facility in India. The US has already ordered a lot of COVID-19 vaccines from different manufacturers such as 300 million from Moderna, 300 million from Pfizer-BioNTech, and also another 300 from AstraZeneca. In total, it makes 1.2 billion doses vaccine. As you see, the US has 4 doses per person without optional additional doses. By the way, the US started to donate some AstraZeneca doses. We see the similar situation also for the Canada. It makes COVID-19 vaccine marketing harder for the OCUGEN. Let's calculate the possible revenue and profit if the COVAXIN gets approval in US. Bharat Biotech sells the vaccine between $15 and $20 per dose to foreign countries. Because of the competition, we can assume that the US will pay $15 per dose. If the US orders 100 million doses, it makes 1.5 billion doses in revenue. If we get the profit margin 50%, $750 million will be shared between OCUGEN and Bharat Biotech. According to the agreement, OCUGEN will get 45% of that, which makes $337.5 million. If we get the P ratio 10, the market cap will be $3.4 billion, which shows less than 2x potential for the company. When we look at the company's statistics, the company doesn't have any product, also income from sales. If the OCUGEN can get approval from the US for COVAXIN and sells 100 million doses, the company can get a lot of cash for further research and development activities. Now we can summarize what we saw previously in the video. The management has done a good job so far. The COVAXIN agreement has skyrocketed the stock price and made the funding for research and development activities easier. The company is US based and it gives more credibility. COVID-19 vaccine market is huge, but the agreement between Bharat Biotech limits marketing authorization only in US and Canada. The growth potential is also depends on the success of COVAXIN because other product candidates are in preclinical phase. Long story short, OCUGEN seems to me a very risky bet. The investors should be aware of stock price fluctuations because of high short percentages of shares. If a short squeeze happens, the stock price can hit all-time high in a short period. Please do also your own research and don't forget, every investment involves a risk. We try to read all relevant articles and news for our videos. If you want to support us, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel.